The Elenco Tech Zivko robot, EE-TTR893, is an intelligent hexiped robot offering an engaging introduction to artificial intelligence technology for young learners. With two unique function modes, Follow and Explore, Zivko offers varied interaction, acting as an obedient pet or adventurously navigating obstacles. This STEM-focused toy includes sound, light effects, and even develops its own emotions and gestures, providing a multi-sensory learning experience. The Zivko robot is a product of Elenco Electronics LLC, a brand renowned for creating educational toys based on science, technology, engineering, and math STEM activities. This environmentally friendly robot does not require batteries, as it is powered by either water, wind, or sun, making it a perfect choice for future engineers aged 10 and above. With a review score of 4 out of 5 and over 1,000 reviews, the Tech Zivko robot is a popular and well-received educational toy.